In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post for later on Facebook. Scheduling your posts is really helpful if you want your content to go live at a specific time without having to be online. Maybe you want to reach people in a different time zone, or you simply want to plan ahead for a busy week. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own Facebook account. First, open Facebook and go to your main profile or the page where you want to post. At the top of your feed, look for the box that says what's on your mind. Click on that area to start creating a new post. This is the same place you'd normally go if you were posting something right away. Next, type in your post. This could be a simple text update, a link you want to share, or a caption for a photo or video. Take a moment to make sure your message is clear and complete. If you want to add media like images or videos, do that now so the post is exactly how you want it to appear when it goes live. Once you're happy with your content, look for the button that says Next and click on it. This will move you from the basic post creation screen to additional options, including when your post will be published. On the next screen, find and click on Scheduling Options. This is where the magic happens. Instead of posting immediately, you're telling Facebook to hold on to your post and publish it at a specific time in the future. Now, you'll see a place to select the date and time. Choose the exact day and time you want your post to appear. It can be helpful to think about when your audience is usually active. After selecting your date and time, click on Schedule for later to confirm that you don't want it to post right now. Finally, review everything one last time. Make sure the content looks correct and the scheduled time is what you intended. When you're ready, click on Schedule. Facebook will now save that post and automatically publish it at the time you selected without you needing to do anything else. And that's all it takes to schedule a post for later on Facebook.